the major works written by Joseph Conrad. First is Almayer's Folly, which was published in 1895. It was the first novel of Joseph Conrad. It was set in late 19th century. It tells the life of a Dutch trader, Caspar Almayer. The name of the hero is Caspar Almayers, and in the Borneo jungle, and his relationship to his mixed heritage daughter Nina. So this is the story which is based on Almayer, and who lives in the Borneo jungle, and he is a Dutch trader. It has the life story of Caspar Almayer and about his folly. An Outcast of the Islands, published in 1896. It is the second novel of Joseph Conrad. It is based on Joseph's experience as mate of a steamer on a boat. Steamer is the person who is there in the boat, and during that time, Joseph Conrad's mate was a steamer, and his experiences with him are depicted in this story named An Outcast of the Islands. It tells the story of Peter Willems, who is an immoral and lustful man who fleds from his town and takes refuge in his native village. So he is an outcast of the islands, and it is based on a true story of Joseph Conrad when he meets with a steamer, and it has a story of a steamer who is a mate of Joseph Conrad. The Nigger of Narcissus. The Nigger of Narcissus is a tale of the forecastle. Full title of the novel is The Nigger of Narcissus, a tale of the forecastle. Um, this novel is famous for superb quality style. So the style is very famous of Nigger of Narcissus. It is concerned with the themes of death and denial. It shows the death of James Waite, who is a nigger. Nigger means a black person who is a Negro because of TB. And there is a problem, is he is having a disease named tuberculosis in Narcissus. So Narcissus is a ship. The name of the ship is Narcissus. The crew of the ship first denied the death, but later they accepted. So this is all about the story of the Nigger of Narcissus. Next is Heart of Darkness in 1902. The story is about a narrated voyage in Congo River a of Africa by Joseph Conrad. In this novel, Charles Marlowe, the narrator, tells his story to his friends aboard a ship anchored on the river Thames. Heart of Darkness. Next is Lord Jim. Lord Jim is yet another important novel written by um, Joseph Conrad. Novel originally published as a serial in Blackwood magazine. The story starts with the abandonment of a passenger ship by its crew because of some distress, including a young British seaman named Jim. So Lord Jim, it has a story of person named Jim, and who had to abandon his ship because of some catastrophe in the ship. Next is Nostromo. In 1905, Nostromo, A Tale of the Seaboard, published in 2 volumes. The theme of Nostromo is the relationship between moral idealism and material interests. The novel is set in Costaguana. It is a place in South America. It happens during a violent revolution. Nostromo, an Italian longshoreman, tries to safeguard a priceless silver mine owned by an Englishman named Charles Gould, the King of Sulaco. The Secret Agent was published in 1907. The Secret Agent, A Simple Tale. The story is set in London of Secret Agent. It reveals the story of Mr. Adolf Warlock and his work as a spy for an unnamed country. It is a political novel, a different setting from seafaring. So many of the novels by Joseph Conrad were set in the seas during his during the while living in ships, but this is not that sort of novel. It is a bit different. The setting is not in the seafare. The Shadow Line in 1916, short novel based at sea. The Shadow Line in 1916 is a short novel. It is again on the sea. The setting is at the sea. It is published as a serial in New York's Metropolitan Magazine. The Shadow Line represents a line which is crossed from childhood to youth. Next is The Lagoon in 1897. It is a short story published in Cornhill Magazine. The story is about a white man named Chuan who is traveling through a rainforest and is forced to stop for the night with a distant Malay friend named Arsat. Next is Emmy Foster. It is a short story published in the Illustrated London News. It was collected in Typhoon and Other Stories. Emmy Foster reveals the theme of isolation and alienation. Yanko Gural becomes an unwilling emigrant due to shipwreck. She discovered how cruel and unaccepting people can be, yet he loses it at the end due to fear and misunderstanding. Last one is The Secret Sharer in 1910. It was published in two parts in Harper's Magazine. The story reveals the dual nature of every person and how this duality must be resolved for the self to grow. So this is all about Joseph Conrad. I hope you like the video. If please do hit the like button if you like the video, and comment me how did you find it useful for you, and please subscribe to my channel, and I'll share with you more videos which will be related to the English literature, and it would be a real fun. Thank you. Bye bye.